Hello LCBC family, Chef Joel and my good friend Sam. We are going to bang out one of my favorite holiday leftovers. This is a Mexican inspired turkey tortilla soup. If you have leftover turkey, you're gonna wanna make this. This is gonna make you happy in many, many ways. Sam, I'm gonna get some vegetables cooking and then I want you to talk to us about what we're using here.
Okay.
We're gonna start off with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And very important when you're making soups, you wanna saute the vegetables first. And what I mean by that is don't just throw your vegetables into boiling water. You're gonna lose a lot of flavor and actually a little bit of nutritional content too. By sauteing your vegetables first, you're gonna lock in and seal in the flavors, and you're actually gonna release the natural oils that are in them, which is gonna give you a lot more flavor. So we're gonna start off with a half a cup of carrots that are diced, 3/4 cup of bell pepper. You can use any color, green, red, yellow, orange, doesn't matter. And we're gonna go 3/4 cup of yellow or white onion, once again, diced. Now I use the word mise en place in a lot of my recipes, and you'll see them in the recipe links. Mise en place is it's a French term that we use in the cooking world, and basically it means everything in its place. So when you're starting a recipe, you don't want to be running around the kitchen trying to find your whisk, and oops, I forgot to cut the onions. And so mise en place literally means everything in its place. Before you start your recipes, have all your utensils here, have everything cut, minced, diced, look at your recipe first, so that when it's actually cook time, you're good to go. These vegetables, we're gonna saute these off for about a minute in the olive oil. Once again, we're just going to lock them in, lock the flavors. And the last thing I'm gonna add to the pot now, if you like a little heat, which I do, Sam, not so much. We're gonna put some poblano peppers. Now, poblanos aren't terribly hot. They're not as hot as a jalapeno, but they're hotter than a bell pepper. If you like hot, go for a serrano, go up the Scoville chart. I mean, throw a Scotch bonnet in there if you want. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of those in too. While these are cooking, Sam, let's look at our ingredient list here.
Yep.
Tell us what we're working with.
I mean, it's loaded with fiber, and I cannot stress enough how important fiber is for us. It keeps our digestive system happy and us overall healthy. So by having something like this where you can just throw vegetables in, I mean, it's awesome. The turkey, like I said before, great source of protein. It also has the B12 vitamins, which is what is important for energy production in our body. So I like that we can have the vegetables and the good source of protein like that, and then they all taste good together. So
this is a fun soup to make, and this literally is just full of so many flavors and nutrients, as she points out. Yeah. We're gonna add a cup of sweet corn. If you're one of the lucky ones that shucked it off the ear and froze it and kept it for a later date, use that. If not, you can use canned or frozen, but you're looking at about 1 cup. Black beans, you're gonna want about 1.5 cups of black beans. If you're gonna use fresh black beans, you're good to go. If you're gonna use canned, make sure you rinse them first. They're just kind of floating in this brine, which is a gelatinous salt liquid. So. Yeah, so if you're using canned black beans, once again, nothing wrong with that. Just make sure you rinse off your beans first. Okay, we're gonna add that too. And then we're also looking at 1 can or about 1 cup of diced tomatoes with the juice. Make sure when you use, this is a recipe that I actually do prefer canned tomatoes versus fresh. The can will hold up a lot nicer in your soup. They'll keep their firm texture. Fresh tomatoes in a soup like this, they're gonna dissipate and pretty much cook into nothing. Okay, now we're gonna add 2 cups of our leftover turkey that we had from our holiday feast, and we're gonna top this with 6 cups of stock. Make your stock ahead of time or your broth. You can use turkey or chicken for this, it doesn't matter either way. And we're gonna add that too. Now here's the fun part, Sam, and I don't even know if you knew this. If you're an LCBC volunteer, this is my own spice blend. This is my own taco seasoning, if you will, that I make myself. And if you are one of the LCBC volunteers, you got a packet of this for Christmas from Connie. So now is when we're gonna pull out your quarter cup of Chef Joel's, I call it my Santa Fe seasoning, but it's basically a kicked up taco seasoning. Basically what I have in here is oregano, chili powder, smoked paprika, garlic, white pepper, and a little bit of dried lime zest that goes in that really adds a little punch to it. All right, we're gonna let that, we're gonna turn that down to about a medium-high heat, and we're gonna let that cook for about 20 minutes. And then we'll finish that up. I'll show you how we're gonna plate it and how we're gonna top it off. Welcome back, guys. So we had our turkey tortilla soup simmering now for about 20 minutes on medium heat. Everything looks ready to go. This looks amazing. Let's finish it off.
Okay.
You know what else I love about this soup, Sam?
What?
You eat with your eyes first, right? That's like cooking 101. That's what they tell you. This soup is just loaded with so many different colors. We're gonna throw in some shredded cheddar cheese on top. We're gonna throw in some crispy tortilla strips. You can buy these pre-made. If you do not have these, you can use Tostitos or whatever chip you have at your house. If you have time, cut your tortillas down and fry them yourself. Just hit them with a little salt at the end. They take about 20 seconds to cook. We're gonna throw some of this avocado right on top. We're gonna throw some fresh cilantro, not just to look pretty, but you wanna eat this in this soup. And we are gonna finish it off with some fresh lime. And Sam, this is not just lime to look at, you gotta squeeze, because you want this in the soup. There it is, there's our turkey tortilla soup. Once again, using up leftover turkey from your holidays. 20-minute, 30-minute soup at the max, start to finish, too easy, good food. Enjoy.